Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's have a look at top 6 things that we should know about PPF, and after that let's have a look at how we can save 70 lakh rupees by the time we retire if we invest just 2000 rupees per month. Point number 1. What is PPF and who can invest in it? PPF is a tax saving plus investment option given to us by the Government of India, and any Indian citizen can invest in PPF. Unlike EPF and VPF where only employees can invest, in PPF anyone can invest. In fact, you can even open account on behalf of your minor children as well and put money into it. Point 2. So what is special about PPF? PPF is an exempt investment option. What it means is you save tax on the amount you put in PPF, the interest that you generate out of it, and also when you finally withdraw the maturity amount, you need not pay any tax. So it is triple E, exempt option. If you are following old tax regime, then you can avail this triple E, but if you are following new tax regime, then you can still get exemption on your interest and the maturity amount, but you need to pay tax on your principal or the deposit that you initially make. I have put up a separate video comparing old tax regime versus new tax regime. You can check out the differences and advantages in that video. Point number 3. How much interest can I expect from it? So currently government is paying you 7.1% interest from PPF. And again remember, this is tax exempted. So when you compare PPF with other investment options, do keep this point in mind and evaluate accordingly. The interest on PPF is compounded on an annual basis, and the interest is calculated based on the amount of money you have between 5th and the month ending for every month. So today is 4th of the month. If you want to maximize the interest that you get out of your deposits, please do deposit your money in PPF today, because if you do it tomorrow, then you can only expect the interest from it from next month. So do it before 4th of every month. Point 4. So how much can we contribute? We can contribute a minimum of 500 rupees and a maximum of 1.5 lakh rupees in a financial year. And you can do this deposit in either one installment or up to a maximum of 12 installments. So it is your choice if you want to do it once a year or if you want to do a deposit every month. Point 5. What is the duration of PPF? PPF account is for 15 years. So once you open an account, you have to keep it open and contribute the minimum amount of 500 rupees every year up to 15 years. After 15 years, it is your choice if you want to extend it or if you want to close it. If you want to close it, you can just withdraw whatever you have saved and close it. If you want to extend, then you can extend it in block of 5 years. Point 6. What if I have a need and I need to withdraw my PPF amount before the 15-year period? Then yes, you can withdraw it before you complete the 15 years, and even you can take a loan on your PPF account deposits. So the rule says that from your 3rd year to 6th year, you can take a loan on your PPF account, and post the 6th year, you can withdraw the amount as well. You can check out the detailed guidelines surrounding that in the Clear Tax website link that I have put down in the description. Now that we are clear about top 6 things that we should know about PPF, let's quickly have a look at how we can save 70 lakh rupees by just investing 2000 rupees every month into PPF account. I'll take you through the working using Lahari as an example. As we already saw, the interest that is generated on PPF is 7.1%. So let's assume Lahari, who just graduated and joined her first job, is 21 years old and she is investing 2000 rupees every month in PPF. So that makes it 24,000 per year. As the rate of interest is 7.1%, by the end of first year, she will get an interest of 1700 and that makes her total balance 25,000. In a similar manner, Lahari will continue to invest 2000 rupees every month till she retires. Assuming that she retires at 60 and she continues to invest 24,000 every year, you can see that her total corpus by the time she retires is 52 lakh rupees. So by investing just 2000 rupees every month into PPF, she has accumulated a corpus of 52 lakh rupees by the time she retires. And there is an additional incentive as well. PPF is a tax saving investment. So when Lahari is investing 2000 rupees every month into PPF, it becomes 24,000 per year and she will get tax saving on this 24,000. Assuming that she is currently in the 20% tax slab, then she is able to save approximately 5,000 rupees every year by investing in PPF. This is an additional saving that Lahari is able to get. So Lahari has decided to invest this 5,000 rupees into mutual funds. She has estimated that the investment return will be 10%. Actually, it will be around 12 to 15%, but on a conservative side, she has estimated it as 10%. And as it is mutual funds, the long term capital gains is 10% and there is no indexation. So the post tax return becomes 9%. Assuming that Lahari invests this amount of 5,000 rupees every year into mutual funds with a return of post tax return of 9%, she is able to get 18 lakh rupees by the time she retires. So combined with this 52 lakhs, she is able to get a total maturity amount of 70 lakh rupees from both the investments combined. This is how, by just investing 2000 rupees every month into PPF, you can make a corpus of 70 lakhs by the time you retire. Now let's assume that you start off with 2000 rupees a month and in the next year you increase this saving by 5%. I think it is feasible to assume that you will be able to increase this saving by 5% every year. So if you are able to do that, then let's have a look at your savings. As the last 2 years investment is above 1.5 lakhs, I'm just limiting it to 1.5 lakhs because you can't invest above 1.5 lakhs in PPF. So limiting it to 1.5 lakhs, you can see that you are able to get 1 crore rupees as your PPF balance, and on top you will get 33 lakhs rupees as your mutual fund balance. So total of 1.3 crores by the time you retire if you start with 2000 rupees a month and increase it by 5% every year. In this way, you can also change the amount that you want to invest and your particular tax slab and your investment option and check out how much you would be able to save by going ahead with this option. I think now you are very clear about PPF as well as the amount of money that you can save by investing into PPF. Now, if you have a question whether you should invest into PPF or go for some other tax saving options such as EPF, VPF, NPS, ELSS, etc., or straight away go for options such as stocks, gold, real estate, then you can check out my video about understanding and comparing returns which I have already uploaded. But to simplify things, this is my conclusion. If you are self-employed and if you want to invest into tax saving instruments which are completely risk free, then PPF is the option for you. If you are employed and if you again want to invest into tax saving plus risk free option, then probably EPF and VPF are the better options for you, and you have to look at maximizing the investment there. And irrespective of being self-employed or employed, if you want to go for a tax saving instrument with risk, then you can go for NPS and ELSS. These options generate higher returns and also have slightly higher risk than EPF, FDs, etc. I'll also upload detailed videos about NPS and ELSS in the subsequent weeks. If you like the content in this video, please like this video and comment on it. Also do share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to Money Nook. Thank you and bye-bye.